guys, in today's video is going to be a sugar sheet video. A few months ago I had created this beautiful cake and you guys loved the tutorial so much and had so many questions, and one of them came back so many times and I really couldn't answer the question because I didn't know the answer. And the question was, Liliana, can we use corn syrup? Corn syrup was not part of the ingredients in my recipe. In my recipe I was using a glucose syrup. So I didn't know if you could use corn syrup or not, and I didn't know if it was the same product or not. So today I decided to do, because of the high demand, the video to see if we could do the sugar sheet, the same recipe, but this time using the corn syrup. So if you want to see if I could recreate a sugar sheet technique using corn syrup, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. With no further ado, let's get to it. So this is the final product. As you can see, you can definitely use corn syrup. So I'm really happy I finally tried it, so I can confirm to you that yes, it works. Quality is the same. So yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.